This video will use the products block as it appears within the products recommendation widget. If you're viewing this from a different widget, you may see some minor differences.
Within this block, you will be able to choose how you'd like your products to be displayed with 3 layout options. We have the grid, we have the slider, and we have the list. We'll go through each one. Within the grid layout, this is a default layout, and it spreads out your selected products across rows based on the maximum products per row that you choose. This is perfect if you want a structured, comprehensive display for your customers. Within here, you can decide which products to display within each of these areas. So in this case, we've selected the first specific product as the videographer snowboard. We've selected the second product as a different product, the collection snowboard. The third product, we've selected the compare at price snowboard, and the fourth product, we've selected a gift card. But you can choose as you wish on here. If you'd like more information on this, you can go ahead and click the main product upsell widget, which goes into more details on this. Unique to this layout and unique to the product recommendations widget, you're able to select the number of products that you wish to display and the number of products per row in the grid. You can decide what to do in the event that the individual product within the grid is already in the customer's order. If you'd like to display the product anyway, you can just leave this as display featured product anyway. However, there are other options here that you can decide. And again, you're referred to the product upsell widget, which goes into more details there because this is exactly the same as you'll find there. Once you've finished amending the grid layout, go ahead and click save. If you prefer the slider layout, the slider format allows you up to 4 products on the screen at once, with additional products accessible by scrolling. You can customize the scrolling hints using options like the pill for a clickable scroll hint. You can use the shadow hint, which is a more subtle reference to the customers to scroll, or you can have none and the customer will then need to scroll manually themselves without any prompt from yourself. You can display up to 20 products at one time, and you can select up to 4 items per row. The final option for layout is the list option. The list option is a simple vertical list of products, which is ideal for a minimalistic look that represents the number of products that you've selected. Within this layout, there are 2 alternative product layout views. This is the first one. This is small layout 2, or you can choose the small layout 1. Depending on your store's needs, you may find one displays better in certain areas or on mobile, so you can play around with this to decide the best fit for your store. So that wraps up the products block of the product recommendations widget. As always, if you need more help, our customer care team is here for you 24/7. Just hit that live chat button on the page. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials and updates. And if you find our app helpful, leave us a review on the Shopify App Store. Happy reconverting.